Ka Sorkar jela kalau Mynjur ban Menteri Kam ya ka Provident Fund Scheme ka balasa teng laslem naga benta ki nong trei jong ki skul bat college bom dei Sorkar ki bayok pediang ya ka deficit grant naga jela. Haba pentip ya kini hadian ke jingalang ka kenhun menteri ka balalong ha ka Shitarik Yayong menteri rangba ukonrat ke sangma ulaong. Ngila ai ke jing Mynjur ban Menteri Kam ya ka Meghalaya Non-Government Schools and College Employees Centralized Provident Fund Scheme arhajar arhun rio. Kobab hitim kidon shibun kinong tray jong ki school bat college bomdei Sorkar bat da kebab pensyong nong rim kat kum ka any kaladon ke jing no senyang. Henry ka Sorkar kamdon setia ya ka scheme kebabiang ban Menteri Kam ya kene ke jing no senyang. Menta ka singi ngila ai ka rai bakaddu ha ka bay day bat kani ka scheme ha ka ba ka kanhun menteri kala ai ka jing Mynjur. Shisin ba kani ka scheme kala yo ya kani ka jing Mynjur bat da ka ba pensyong nong rim kat kum kani ka scheme ki nong tray jong ki school bat college bom day Sorkar kin yo ya ki jing mentoy na ka Provident Fund. Ulaong ba kani Menteri Kam khamtam na ka benta ki nonghikai deficit ki nong tray ha ki school bat college shimet ki balabay tingka bar ajing kershan la ka Sorkar kum ka St. Anthony's College, St. Edmund's College, Shillong College bat kiway. Kini ki college ke baladon ki day ki ba ka Sorkar kala aya ka tulom ha ka dur jong ka deficit grant ong ukonrat. Ki jingno snyang na kini ki nong tray la khate kat kum ka an bala shimpat teng na ka Assam bat ka bala Menteri Kam lang da ka Meghalaya. Henry Kam shemla don pat kanu ka scheme ban penyai biang ya kini ka pisa syaki hadin bakila syong thaj na ka Kam. Ka Sorkar hakate ka por Kam shemla penmi ya ka scheme halor kumno ban penyai ya ka jingno snyang ya ka ba on ai biang syaki nong tray jong kini ki college bat ki school hadin bakila syong thaj no. Kumta menta ka singi ka ka bangile ka day bangila Mynjur ya kata ka scheme ka badai ka Kam ka bala sa teng las lembha bat kata ka day ka bangila la banle ula benram. Menteri rangba ulaong ba don hau ya ki jingtip babnya halor ka jingdon jong kini ki badai banyo jing mentoy Henry ka ka scheme menta kan penbiang ya ka rukom Menteri Kam na ka benta ban sam ya kini ki jingno senyang bala lumlang. Haba kali halor ka jingkta ha kaliang ka pisa tingka Menteri rangba pensyai da ka boong. Ka jingno senyang ka day ka bala dep banle. Kumta ka day tang ka jingkali bayam menta on sam syaki bat ka day bandon ka rukom Menteri Kam bat ka scheme halor ka nongrim ka ba on sam yaka.
The implementation of the Meghalaya Non-Government Schools and College Employees Centralized Provident Fund Scheme 2026. As you are aware that a large number of non-government schools and colleges employees, based on the act, the relevant act, certain contributions were being made, but government did not have a proper scheme to implement this particular contribution. So today we have finalized that particular scheme, and cabinet has approved it. So once this scheme is approved, based on the scheme, the employees of the non-government schools and colleges, they will be getting the benefits of the Provident Fund. No, this is the non-government teachers. So these are the deficit teachers mostly. So all the deficit teachers, I hope you remember, the deficit teachers are basically all private colleges and private schools where government has given them grant in aid in form of deficit fund. So like colleges like St. Anthony's College or St. Edmund's or Shillong College, Don Bosco. So these colleges that were there, where government is giving the salary in terms of deficit grant. So there, as I said, some contribution was taken from them based on an act which was there during the Assam time, and that act was adopted by us. So based on that, when the contributions were taken, the government at that point in time did not come out with a scheme on how this particular contribution will be then given to the employees of these colleges and schools when they retire. So today what we did was we approved that scheme, that this is how it will be given, and that was something that was pending for a long time. And that is what we have done. I don't have the numbers with me, but these are, as I said, all mostly college teachers, deficit college teachers. No, these contributions have already been made. So it's just a question of now distributing it to them, and there has to be a structure and a scheme on the basis of which it will be distributed.